What will happen to XRP if Ripple loses against the SEC? Well, we're going to talk about the likely outcome for XRP if this happens, according to attorney Jeremy Hogan, who has followed this court case very, very closely since its inception in December 2020. So, attorney Jeremy Hogan has been following this from day one, and he says XRP would lose part of its utility. See, this was sparked on Twitter, where Michelle Nightingale decided to pick the brains of many of the attorneys who have been following this court case closely. Hogan has so far been the only one who's responded from the list. And he reckons that in this case, if Ripple loses against the SEC, XRP would likely lose 25% of its utility. Why is this number 25%? Well, the United States provides 25% of global economic activity. So this is where Jeremy Hogan comes up with the numbers. Now, again, this is not a perfect science, right? But what else would happen if Ripple loses? So many in the crypto community now believe that Ripple is not just fighting for Ripple and XRP, they're fighting for the entire crypto space. Therefore, if Ripple happens to lose to the SEC, this could impact the crypto industry in the United States negatively, not to mention the XRP price. This is why I think the United States will be smarter than that. They will not stunt innovation completely. However, Fox Business analyst Charles Gasparino said there could be a nightmare scenario, in his opinion. I don't necessarily agree with this wholeheartedly. He tweeted that in this case, the regulatory agency might go further to get the crypto space under control, and they would target Ethereum next for its sales, thus destroying the two best technologies in crypto. The reason why I don't think this will happen, I don't think the United States is in the business of destroying the best technologies out there. We know blockchain is the future. They don't want to stunt that innovation. If Ripple loses this case, I don't think it'll be painted as such, right? I can't see the United States coming out and saying, okay, that's it. Ripple loses, and now we're going after every single other cryptocurrency, right? I do think they're going to set a precedent regardless here, but I don't think they're going to completely stunt innovation. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this. Just a quick little update on XRP, bringing you up to speed on the current goings on right now and the current conversations between attorney Jeremy Hogan as it relates to this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Don't forget to subscribe right here to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you like daily crypto content, you want to be locked in right here. Check out CCX and all the links down below. They're looking to change DeFi for the better as well. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next video.